We lost audio for this footage, so here we are doing a voiceover. Let's go. Trap adapter on the tailpiece and align your P-trap to get a measurement. See how he offset in the back there with 245s? If he was going straight at that tailpiece, it would have been a vertical offset that he'd have to do into the tailpiece, which is more difficult than doing a horizontal offset. So he's got his measurement, and let's measure it. Cut it with some rigid ratchet cutters. Best cutting tool for finishing, and 1.5 inch ABS. We use it for 2 inch a little bit, but mostly for 1.5 inch. It's a breeze for doing finishing. Always have a rag underneath where you're working so you don't get any glue on the cabinets. Nice glue joint there. Clean that glue joint off. Notice the drop cloth there that he's sitting on. Try to keep things nice and clean. And let's do a little bit more gluing here. Nice and easy. Full glue joint here. I can see a mistake coming up. Oh, it's not going to fit. No. Yeah, nice try. You might run into these kind of things. It's not hard to fix. As you can see, it's just going to re-glue that joint. That's no problem at all. Little stuck paper towel there. Screw that on. Yeah, when you re-glue something twice, you want to add a little more than a quarter turn or half turn spin with the pipe in the fitting. So I'll line that up. So what I'll do is I'll just snug up my trap adapter there so it holds the P-trap up. And align it as close and as square as you can get this. This will make your life much more easier when you marry the trap together like he's going to do here. So he's got his measurement. And ratchet cutter, so let's go. Love this tool. Yeah. Wish we had the audio so you could hear it. People are always amazed when I go do finishing in their house. And they see me use that tool. They're always like, wow, I got to get me one of those. I'm like, wow, they're like $180. They're like, oh, never mind. Oh, so use the Sawzall. So a nice glue joint there. And another nice glue joint here. Yeah, using a Sawzall or a hacksaw, it's so many burrs that fly everywhere, and it makes a huge mess. And these ratchet cutters are a lifesaver. So make sure that your part of your P-trap, the 90 there, is always level. As level as possible. Now look how easy this is going to be. Because he lined it up when he got that measurement. Everything should just screw nicely. So I'll get these nice and snug with my hands. Just like Carson's going to do here. Yeah, and then just give it a little tweak with some channel locks and you're good to go. Don't forget to test. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.